Hi traders, this is Sin with the New Level Trading Report for Thursday, May 19th. Economic data came in mixed this morning and dampened investor enthusiasm during early morning trading. Continued unemployment claims dropped 81,000. However, the Philly Fed said that its measure of manufacturing activity slumped to its lowest reading since October, and existing home sales slid by just under 1% in April. As you can see, I have a 5-minute chart of the S&P futures up, and as you can see, we did have a nice trend upward throughout most of the afternoon yesterday. We went sideways in after hours trading, and then this morning you can see we were up and then chopped right back down. Lots of chop throughout this area in the day, and as you can see, we kind of formed a symmetrical triangle, and it looks like as we speak we're breaking up in that triangle just barely. So we'll wait to see how that resolves tomorrow. Also taking a look at the daily chart, you can see we're pretty much at this inflection point. We're at this downtrend, but also this resistance from February, which was right in this area here for 1342.50. So we'll look to see, as you can see, we're at 1342 at this very moment. So we'll wait to see if we break up and break to the upside on that. Let's take a quick look at the dollar index, which is the DX. And as you can see, lots of chop yesterday and continued chop throughout the day, although we did sell off and ended at the lows at the close today. The dollar on the daily looks like it's, as you can see, it's pulling nicely back into this 50-period moving average. We'll wait to see how that resolves. Right now, I'm not thinking that it's going to be a double bottom. I mean, this just could be a higher low, and we could end up, as I said, back into this Fibo retracement around the $77 range. Don had some really nice trades today. He actually traded Google. He had a nice bull put spread, as he prefers to do credit over debit spreads. He bought the 525 puts and sold the 530s. He actually did that 3 times. Let's take a quick look here. You can see we had a nice gain early trading, but reversed quickly. The interesting thing, Dawn actually was down about $1,200 on this vertical spread. However, he legged out and ended up with a $3,000 gain, which was really nice. He also had a bear call spread on this as well, for a total of, as I said, $3,000. He also traded silver futures, and actually it was a tricky day to trade. You can see lots and lots of chop. I've kind of done this nice channel here, and Don actually had this on a 2-minute, but you can see lots and lots of chop, and he had some longs and some shorts that didn't work out. He had, I think, 7 round trips. 3 did work, 4 didn't work. His total for the day was a little below $500 down, I think, or actually right around $500 for the day as a loss. Let's take a quick look at the silver futures, and as you can see, lots of just chopping up and down in this area. Obviously, we've come up just to this 10-period moving average. We ended with a spinning top today, as you can see right there, and this is an after hours trading, just getting another small candle to the upside. Obviously, you can see we're definitely downtrending on volume in silver, so we'll wait to see what happens in the next week or so. Tomorrow we have no economic news, but we do have earnings for Ann, which is Ann Taylor, and several China stocks, DANG, D-A-N-G, which is e-commerce China. We have EJ, which is E-House China Holdings, and YGE, which is Green Holdings. Let's take a quick look at our bubble study, and as you can see, TMO, which is Thermo Fisher, was up almost a little over 4% as the gainer on the S&P. Obviously, Intuit was nice, almost a 3% gain. HOT, which is Starwood Hotels, was up almost 3% as well. Let's see, Yahoo had a decent day, almost 2.5%. As you can see, I always like to stretch this a bit, and here we go. So let's move that around. See, you can see all these. We had quite a few to the upside today on the S&P, and then let's go to the downside. And as you can see, we had Limited was down almost 4%. KLIC was down almost 4% as well. You can see some of the retailers today. Obviously, SHLD had earnings and was down almost 3%. Ross Stores was down a little over 1%. Not too bad. But anyways, you can see quite a few to the downside as well. FCX had about a little over 1% decline. But that's about it for today. We want to thank you for joining us today. Here's a picture of our website. If you have any questions or you'd like to become a member, please get a hold of Brian at the number on our website. Thanks again for joining us tonight, and have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.